What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing a security screw for your saddlebags. We're going to be working on a 2011 Harley Street Glide. These security screws are going to be replacing those half-turn quick pins, whatever you want to call them. Those quick pins are pretty cheap and flimsy. They've been known to fail over a long period of time, and your saddlebag's going to fall off and you're going to be stuck having to buy new saddlebags. It's a pretty simple installation. The security screw that we went with is the Hogworkz Hogknobz. We just simply went with that one because of price. There's tons of different options out there. I know Rick Rack makes some. You could even go to your local hardware store and rig something up. But for coming in at $19, already pre-packaged kit, it's well worth it because saddlebags aren't cheap, especially if you have any other color than vivid black. Alright, so let's get to it. Alright, so the first step in adding the Hogknobz is going to be taking the pins out and removing your saddlebag. Like I said earlier, these are just like a half turn. And pretty much what happens is the pin on the back can get worn out, and if you hit a good bump down the road, the pin can just come undone and off goes your saddlebag. As always, when you take your saddlebag off, you want to make sure you place it on a soft surface so you don't damage your saddlebag. Alright, so the first step, once you get your saddlebag off, you're going to want to remove the frame receptacle here on both parts, and you can do so. You just pretty much pull that back and then kind of just wiggle, and that comes off just like so. Moving on to this side, right off. So guys, on this one, it looks like you pull this little tab outwards and just wiggle and it will come off. And then now we're going to be installing the new ones, and those just pop on just like so. As you can see, it's threaded for the new bolt. Working on the other side, just like that. Alright guys, so once you get the old receptacles off and get the new frame receptacles on, you can bring your saddlebag over and reinstall it. And there's going to be a little washer here that goes on the end of the screw, which pretty much just fills the gap of the hole in the saddlebag. And then you just line it up and just screw it in. And obviously how this protects it is there's multiple threads that you have to go in. So it's going to take a whole lot longer to back out than a half-turn pin. And get your second one started. These are also nice because anytime you're in your saddlebag, it just takes a real quick, twist to make sure your saddlebags are always tight, and that way you don't ever have to worry about them coming off. So once you get both of these Hogknobz snugged up, you're good to go, and just repeat the process for the other side. And make sure to wipe down any surfaces you may have touched during the installation. Alright guys, so that was the installation of the Hogworkz Hogknobz, the security screw for your saddlebags. As always, I'll have the link for them down in the description. Thank you for watching. Make sure to smash that like button, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.
Peace!